Hey, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do a review. So basically that review is gonna be about a lip product, and that lip product is this lip scrub by Oh That Natural. Oh That Natural is its brand name. So basically I'm gonna do a review about this lip scrub. So as you can see guys, my lips are looking so pigmented and dry. So nowadays I'm not doing anything special for my lips just because I'm getting too much busy on my shoots, on my work, something stuff like this. So today I'm gonna use this lip scrub on my lips and gonna share my honest review with you all guys. So guys, before I use this product, let's just read whatever the things are written on this product. So let's just start. Okay, so as you can see, this is the scrub like this. So there's mentioned some benefits of this scrub. Helps exfoliate, hydrate, soften, moisturizes and brighten the lips in just 4 weeks. So I don't know how true is this. I'll just get to know after I will be using it. So the next thing is how to apply. Apply the scrub onto your lips in circular motion. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Then wash it off with water. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be applying this lip scrub onto my lips, and then I will do massage for few minutes, and then I'll be leaving it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll just rinse it off. So now let's just get into this video. Okay guys, so now you can see I just haven't applied anything on my lips. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take scrub. So guys, I'm back. So guys, let me just tell you that this product has something in it that has turned my lips into pink instantly. Like it has something pink in this product. Like you can see my finger has also got pink color. So yes, this just gives instantly a pink color to your lips. My lips has got pink and these are looking, you know, much better than my before wale lips. So guys, I just want to tell you honestly, if you want to go out without a lip color, just invest your 5 minutes in this product and then you will have a pinky wale lips which you will like for sure, as I'm liking my lips this kind of pink lips too much. Okay, now after this lip scrub I just need a lip balm. So I'm using here Biotic lip balm. Okay, so after using any lip scrub, it's necessity to apply any lip balm onto your lips just to make it soft and moisturizing. Okay, so now guys, let me just tell you, at the end of this video I will just want to give this product 4 out of 5 cause it just made my lips pink instantly, but that's fine. And guys, honestly speaking, this product has something interesting. Like it has turned my lips into hydrated lips, into pink lips and into moisturized lips, and I can feel my lips is like buttery soft. So guys, you should give it a try and just use this for a once. If you have pigmented lips, if you have dry lips, just use this product. It is gonna make your lips look much better. As you can see, before my lips was looking so bad, so worse, but now I'm happy with my lips. So guys, I hope you will be buying this product super soon and you will be making your lips look more softer, pink and beautiful. I hope guys you liked my video, and keep kissing and keep looking beautiful. So thank you for watching my video guys, and I will see you guys next time in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon. Bye.